Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Download and install 3utools on a Windows PC and open the program. Use a certified USB cable and connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust on the iPhone lock screen when prompted to allow access. Wait for 3utools to detect the device and populate device information in the left pane. Ensure the connection is stable and avoid disconnecting during the next steps. This process prepares 3utools to read battery diagnostics and status from your iPhone safely. In 3utools, open the toolbox or the main device pane to find battery tools. Click the battery or battery info option to view detailed battery diagnostics. Look for maximum capacity, shown as a percentage to gauge wear. Check current capacity, which may display an mAh for real charge size. Note the cycle count that records how many full charge cycles the battery has undergone. Also record voltage in MV and any manufacturer or battery model details shown by the tool. Interpret the numbers by comparing maximum capacity and cycle count to standards. Replace the battery if maximum capacity falls below 80% or cycle count exceeds 500 for most iPhones. If numbers are marginal, perform a calibration by charging to 100% and discharging to 0 once, then fully recharge again. Always back up your iPhone before attempting repairs or replacements to avoid data loss. For replacement, choose Apple service or a reputable repair shop to ensure genuine parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.